Hello, good evening. In this video, we shall look at the quick overview of our accounting module for Multi Branch POS. So once the module has been installed successfully on your application, of course you have to buy it separately as a module, and then you have to go to modules and then you install it. So once the module has been installed, it will appear on the sidebar of your application. So this will be like the dashboard for your accounting module. So once you install the module, you need first go to settings. So once module has been installed, it will automatically run for the default chart of accounts and add it to your system. And then it also do for your automatic mapping of the respective account for each transaction type. So for the sale, it will do for you the sale where it goes, sales payment, purchase payment, and expenses. So it will do for you the automatic mapping, and then you'll be required just to do to save the mapping settings. Otherwise, you can also adjust accordingly. So this will be the prefix of your journal entries, and then the prefix for the transfer. Then this will be like the account types. You can also add another account types here. Of course, you have account payable, account receivable, cash and cash equivalents, cost of sales, credit card, current assets, among others. Then this will be the detail types, the various account types, so that you understand what each means. Otherwise, you can also add another one. You just tap on add detail type, and then you'll be able to add another account. Then this will be danger zone. Okay. Then when you install the module, it will find when you have not installed some, like there are some transactions that have not been mapped. So what you need to do, you just tap on run auto mapping, and the system will do for you the mapping automatically. You don't need to do it manually. So the system will do for you automatically until maps the transaction. So just tap run auto mapping and it will do for you the mapping. So here all transactions already mapped, no new mapping needed. Okay. Then here we shall have the default chart of accounts. So we shall have our assets. You can expand to view all the accounts. So these are the various accounts in the system. So these are the accounts that were installed by default when you install the mod. Then here you can corrupt it. Then here you can also add another account. Okay. Of course, you have to group it appropriately. Then this will be like for journal entry. So here you can tap add to add a new journal. So here you need to select, of course here you can put the reference number and then the journal date, then the description for the journal, then select the account that will be debited. For example, I want to debit, you can say other income. Or you can say let us take an expense, freight and delivery expenses. You can say maybe it is 5,000. Then the account that is affected, how did you pay for it? We paid using a cash account. So this one will do automatically balancing for you. So what you enter this setting, then you can also add more rows here like this, but ensure both sides have to be balancing. Okay, total debit must equal total credit before saving. So after that, you can save the journal. Of course, don't forget to give the description here. It is very vital. For example, you can have it as transport cost. Then after that, you click save the journal. So the journal has been saved successfully. Then you can also decide to print out the journal. Okay. Then this will be transfer. You want to transfer money from one account to another. You just tap add. Then this will be the form for transferring money from one account to another. So for example, we want to transfer from cash. So they're showing that the current cash balance is this, and which account are you transferring to? You select the account you're transferring the money to. You cannot transfer on the same account. It will not allow. So you're transferring to another account, for example, bank account here. And they're showing that the bank account has 0. So assuming you want to transfer 37. You want to transfer that, and then the date for transfer and the note. So when you transfer 37,979, to show you after transfer you have 3 million, and the new bank account after transfer it will have 37,979. Then you can put the narration here, then click transfer funds. So funds transferred successfully. You can also print out if you wish. So you can print out your transfer also. Okay, so here to show you the company name, details, say fund transfer voucher, from which account to which account, so the amount transferred. Okay. Same for journal entry, you can also print out the voucher. So to show you, this will be your journal voucher. You can also print it out. And then this will be your transactions for sale. Then this will be the sales payment, the purchase payment, then the expenses. So this will be the expenses. Okay. Then this will be our reports. So for our reports, we shall have our income statement, we shall have balance sheet, trial balance, ledger report, we shall have the contract account statement, account receivable aging, detailed account payable, among others. So for example, let us view our account income statement. So this will be our income statement showing that unit profit is this. So you can also print out the report if you wish. You can print or export. Then you can also print in portrait or landscape. Let us go back to reports. Here we shall have our balance. So this is our balance sheet, and both sides have to be balancing. Then we shall also have our trial balance here. So this is our trial balance, and the period is from this date to this date. You see both sides are balancing, which is okay. Then this will be like our ledger report. For example, here we are looking at the cash account. That's the current balance. That you can also look at the, let us look at bank account. Bank account, we have this, the money that was transferred from the other account to this account. We shall also look at our contract account statement. So you can view the report for customer or supplier. For example, we want to view supplier and we want to view working, then view account statement. So a very clear account statement will be printed for this customer. And according to this account, balance outstanding is 0. Okay, that's the working customer. You can also go and view the one for your supplier. Just tap supplier, then you check the supplier that's available in the system, then you can run the report. Then you also be able to print out the report. You can print out the report in portrait or landscape format, depending on the type of report that you want to print. Then here we shall have account receivable aging report. So it will show you the report here and many other reports. Okay. So basically, this is our accounting and bookkeeping module. Okay. So thank you very much. Stay blessed.